press start the hash key to enter the lock system, and the system will require you to enter the administrator password. The default password is 123456. Press hash key to confirm. Now, the system requires you to enter a new administrator password. For example, 147258. Press hash key to confirm. 147258. Confirm. So now, after you set the new password, the default administrator password 13556 expire. That's your local setting. Press 1. End user. 2. Delete user. 3. Lock setting. 4. End admin. Let's register a fingerprint admin. Press 4. 1. End face. 2. End finger. 3. End password. 4. End card. Let's press 2. Read your finger. Each time you read different area of your same finger. Okay, successful.
002. Successful. Enter fingerprint.
Now press start to go back. 1 and face. Let's register a face and the enemy. Press 1. Let's see how to register face. Look up. Look down. Left. Turn right. So my face and fingerprint password register successful. Press start to go back. Now, if you want to delete user, press 2. When you register the fingerprint, you have ID number, for example 002. If you press hash key and you press hash key, okay, the 002 administrator is deleted. Okay, let's go back. This log can store 15 face, 100 fingerprint, and 100 password, and 100 card. Okay, going back. So, how to connect the log to the application? First, you need to download the application. Go to the Apple App Store, or if you use the Android phone, go to the Google Store and go to the App Store. Okay, search the application name. Search Tuya. Okay, Tuya, find Tuya Smart Tuya, and then you register by your mobile number, or you can log in by the Google account or Apple account. I suggest you to log in by the Google account, Apple account. Do not register by email on the telephone. It's so complicated. Okay, after you register, let's log in. Log in the application. Press the plus sign in up corner, right corner. Press Add Device, and then go to the camera lock and find the lock camera. You must connect to your home's Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi must be 2.4G Wi-Fi. And touch next, and then now operate on the lock. Press start hash key. Enter the password. Press 2 while it's set. Press 1 and network. Okay, now operate on the phone. You press easy mode, and now the phone is searching around and connect to the lock. Okay, the application already found the lock is connecting. Successful. So let's set the lock name. Already set. Finish. Done. So let's test how it works. You can press here. Okay, press here. Okay. If you are close to lock, press it to unlock, and you can touch the video surveillance. So if you touch video surveillance, you can connect to the smart locks camera, so you can check who's in front of the door, and you can click to talk. You can talk to the visitor. Hello? Hello? All right. So you can talk to the visitor. Okay, that's good. Okay, if you press doorbell on the lock, if you press it, the lock will make a calling to the smartphone. Okay, look, doorbell. There is a doorbell bell, someone ring a bell, answer it. You can answer the calling. You can see the camera of the lock and you can talk. And you hold to unlock, you press here. You press it. The lock will be unlocked. Okay, it's unlocked. And in the application, here is a member management and a temporary password. If you touch member management, you can share your log to your family member. You can share it to a family member. Your family member must register by in the application. And also, you touch temporary password. You can create a temporary password. The password has this effective time and in one time, and you can save and send to the user. They can unlock it. Okay, for example, let's say the 1-day password. Okay, for example, the name is who this name. Save it. Okay, you must screenshot to save the password, otherwise you will forget. Okay, let's touch down and let's test it. Okay, the password works very well. How to check the battery is low power? Look, you can see how much battery. It is now 75% around. If the battery is low, every time you open the door, it will tell you the battery is low and warn you to charge the battery. Take up and then take out the battery and charge by the wire. You must use the Type-C wire we give you inside the package of the lock. Do not use the smartphone wire charge because it will damage the lock. Okay, let's install back. Normally it will take 5 hours to charge, to full charge the battery, and the battery can last 3 months. If you forget to charge the battery and the power is low, for example now I take down the battery, you can open the keyhole. You can find a power bank. Now there is no power. Insert the Type-C, and now the lock is in power, and then you can unlock it. And then now you can unlock it and go inside the home to charge the battery. And also you can also unlock by the keys. There are 2 keys. There are 2 keys with the lock, with the keyhole. Insert and rotate. You can unlock it. Very simple. If you want to reset the lock to the factory state, how to reset it? Okay, there are 2 ways to reset. Okay, the first way, press start hash key to enter the lock system. Go to the local setting, go to the lock setting, and go to the more setting, and the number 3, initialize system, press 3. Now press hash key to confirm. Now it's initializing. Now the lock is in factory state. If you forget the password, you can't enter the system. Now press the lock and unlock button at the same time. Press it, don't move. So now the lock also initialized to the factory state. Okay, successfully. Now, how to set the auto lock? For example, if you open the lock and you want the door to lock itself automatically, how to set it? Okay, when the lock is in the factory state, press 8 and hash key, and press number 3, delay lock. You can see here the 10S. 10S means the lock will lock itself 10 seconds after the lock is unlocked. Okay, let's quit out. Let's quit and now let's open. Open by finger. Okay, now the lock is unlocked. Let's watch what happened. 10 seconds later, the dead ball will be out. That means the lock itself. Okay, successfully. How to cancel the radar means, which means if you go to the lock, close to the lock will be active and scan your face and aware as warm or warm. So how to cancel it? Okay, now go to the lock system, press start hash key. Okay, enter the system. And go to the local setting, lock settings, 1 function set, and the number 4 radar. N means near, M means middle, F means far, means we press to C. C means cancel. Okay, if you choose C, that means the radar will be cancelled. Let's quit. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, now look, you go through the radar. There's no reaction from the log. You must light up the screen, and it will activate.